In this project, we're studying the efficacy of marsh terraces. Marsh terraces are segmented ridges of earthen berms that are constructed in open water areas of eroded marsh. It's designed to reduce wave energy. It's designed to reduce erosion of the adjacent marsh, preserve, sustain the marsh that's remaining, and in the process increase the habitat values for fish and waterfowl and other wildlife. Financial resources are obviously limited. Despite the fact that we have billions of dollars coming to the Gulf Coast, it's still a finite amount. And it's really important for us to ensure that those resources are being spent wisely.